Ensure safe and effective towing with the Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation breakaway switch pin, specifically designed for use with LED breakaway switches. Whether you're replacing a broken pin or looking for a backup, this durable pin and vehicle hookup cable will give you peace of mind during every trip. The pin is compatible with new style, standard breakaway switches that measure 2 3/16 long, offering seamless integration with your existing towing system. The Hopkins breakaway switch pin is designed with user convenience in mind, offering an easy-to-follow installation guide to ensure proper setup. It's simple to use and ensures the safety of your trailer by activating the breakaway switch in the event of a disconnect. This compact and reliable pin is a necessary component for keeping your towing experience secure and hassle-free. Hopkins Manufacturing has been a leader in the towing industry, providing innovative and high-quality solutions for over 40 years. Their extensive product lineup includes wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems, and more. By choosing Hopkins, you're opting for a brand trusted by both professionals and everyday users alike. Their commitment to quality means you can count on the products to perform well for years to come, ensuring trouble-free towing. One top review from the United States highlights the pin's compatibility with the BrakeBuddy breakaway switch, which the user purchased as a replacement. The product was a perfect fit, proving that Hopkins delivers reliable and effective solutions for all your towing needs. For those who need to replace or upgrade their towing system's breakaway switch pin, the Hopkins breakaway switch pin is the ideal solution. To buy, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more trusted products.